Smooth blending. Rubberized handle with 2-speed button control makes it easy to puree, dice, mix, crush, and more. Powerful stainless steel blades crush and blend with ease. Ergonomic design makes it easy to hold. Powerful, high-powered 300-watt motor tackles any blending task quickly and quietly, perfect for pureeing vegetables, frozen fruit, and more. Compatible with standard 120-volt outlets. For any blending task, handles any blending task for delicious dips, soups, smoothies, sauces and more. Slim stick design fits into large pots, pans, pitchers, and more. Easy to clean, the blade is easily removable and simple to rinse with soap and warm water. Never immerse the cord in water. Purchase worry-free. For your convenience, a 1-year hassle-free warranty is provided by New House Kitchen. The New House Kitchen Immersion blender takes on any blending task from crushing ice to mixing, blending or pureeing a variety of food. High-powered 300-watt motor blends quickly and quietly so you can get desired results with ease. Rubberized handle with 2-speed button control makes it easy to create restaurant-quality dips, smoothies, and sauces, right in your kitchen, perfect for making pureed soups, mashed potatoes, milkshakes, dressing, and more. The blade is removable and easy to rinse down, just make sure that the cord doesn't get immersed in water. This is the ultimate tool for all your blending needs. Top reviews from the United States. Outperforms original Ninja blender. I've been using the original stick blender for over 20 years, but somehow it got lost or thrown away. With my need to blend protein shakes again, I started looking for a replacement and found this. Though I've only been using it for about 3 months, I'm using it every day and it works perfectly. The detachable mixing stem is a nice touch that makes cleanup very quick and easy, without creating a mess on the countertop. As for power, I have an original Ninja blender and this thing does a lot better job on ice cubes and frozen fruit than the Ninja does. I haven't detected any unusual smells, as in burnt electricals or overheating issues either. Keep in mind, however, that I'm only blending smoothies, which take just a few seconds to do. I really can't find a single fault to this mixer. It's absolutely perfect for what I bought it for. I think when margarita season fires up, this is gonna be my go-to machine.